Isang maganda at mapagpalang araw po sa ating lahat. Welcome back po sa aking YouTube channel, Ka-Vision PH. Itutuloy ko po sa video na ito ang aking series on Nemeth Braille Code. And this time, ang akin pong ipifeature ay ang pagsusulat ng simple fractions. Kaya sit back, relax, and stay tuned. Firstly, ano po ba ang simple fractions? Basically, ang simple fractions naman po ay yung pangkaraniwang uri ng fractions na merong numerator at merong fractional bar or diagonal or horizontal line and yung followed by the denominator. Sa print, may dalawa pong formats na usual na ginagamit. The first one, yun po ang pinaka-common. Merong yung parang two-dimensional na format because you have uh, numerator on top, and then you have the horizontal line, and then numerator on the bottom. Kaya, minsan sa discussion, merong ano yung number sa taas, number sa baba. So, number sa taas, yun po yung numerator, number sa baba ay ang tinatawag na denominator. Kaya nagiging ano siya, two-dimensional. Kasi merong siyang reference for the upper and lower parts. So, yan po yun. Yung isa naman po ay linear ang pagkakasulat sa print. Ang nauunang isulat sa left side ay ang numerator followed by the slash or diagonal line and then the denominator. Sa Braille or sa particular itong Nemeth Braille code na ginagamit natin ay gumagamit po tayo ng mga indicators na wala po sa print. Ito po yung opening fraction at ang closing fraction indicator. So, ang opening fraction indicator, obviously, ay ang una nating susulat because it tells us that the succeeding expressions are part of a fraction. So, sa Braille, ang opening indicator ay composed of dots 1, 4, 5, and 6. At ang closing fraction indicator ay composed of dots 3, 4, 5, and 6. And yung pong ating diagonal line or the slash sign is a one cell composed of dots 3 and 4. So wala po ito sa print. Now, kagandahan lang po ng itong mga indicators na ito because this would tell us the start and end of a fraction. Kasi minsan, lagi po, experience ng mga VI like myself, no? Pag hindi po natin ito lagyan ng mga opening and closing indicators, hindi po natin alam kung saan, hanggang saan, or hanggang where did the fraction start and where did it end. So, yun po yung problem doon. But because of the presence of these indicators, alam na po ng blind kung saan ang simula at kung saan lang po yung hangganan noong fraction. And obviously, kung meron pong slash or diagonal line or the fractional bar, anything that is to the left of that, yun po yung kasama sa numerator. And to the right of that, yun po yung kasama sa denominator. Kasi po ang nature talaga ng Nemeth Braille code ay linear po yung pagkakasulat ng mga expressions, including fractions. So ito na po sa screen ang ating mga symbol sa opening and closing fraction indicators. So we have, for opening, we have dots 1, 4, 5, and 6. Closing fraction indicator consists of dots 3, 4, 5, and 6. So para lang po siyang number sign or numeric indicator. Let's jump to some of the guidelines that we need to observe in writing simple fractions. So, simple fractions cannot include fractions in the numerator. So, hindi po siya yung may fraction na sa either numerator or denominator. Kasi po yun ay complex fraction na po. Next is, ang simple fraction can contain numbers, letters, or expressions. So, what expressions mean is that it can either it can be a combination of numbers and letters, kagaya ng sa algebra. Next is remember that anything or everything to the left of the fraction line is uh, considered the numerator and everything to the right is considered the denominator. So nabanggit ko na po yan kanina. Next ay dahil nga po ang opening fraction indicator ay tinatawag na full cell indicator, hindi na po natin kailangang magsulat ng number sign or numeric indicator sa simula when we write fractions. So wala na po. Hindi na po kailangan ng number sign or numeric indicator. Ang fractions po ay composed of numbers or basically fractions po ay numbers. Part of a number, part of a whole, yan po ang fractions by definition. Kaya po ang pagsispace, no, ang lalagyan ng space ay parehas po when we put space doon sa mga regular numbers. Kaya when we write fractions, wala pong space yan mula sa opening fraction hanggang sa end of the fraction. And kung may operations na plus, minus, multiplication, division, hindi na po kailangan ng space. Now, maliban na lang kung yan po ay signs of comparison like equal sign, less than, greater than, or combination of these. Yun po, doon tayo mag-space between, before and after the signs of comparison, which we already had in the previous videos natin sa series. Now, let's go to some examples. First is, how do you write 1/2 or 1/2? So, hindi na po kailangan ng number sign or numeric indicator. Lagyan po natin agad ng opening fraction indicator. That's 1, 4, 5, and 6. And then number 1, slash 2. Yung slash ay that's 3 and 4. And then 2, wala pong number sign yon. And then the closing fraction indicator na number sign ang symbol niya. Next is, we have this improper fraction na 7/4. Kasama din po siya sa simple fraction. So how do we write 7/4? We have, again, numeric indicator, not numeric indicator, opening fraction indicator, 1, 4, 5, 6, and then number 7. That's 3 and 4 for the slash, and then number 4, and then the closing fraction. Next, how do we write the expression x over y na nag-exist or nasa algebra? So again, we write opening fraction indicator, 1, 4, 5, 6, x slash y, then closing fraction indicator, 3, 4, 5, 6. Another example is, we have here a number sentence, 5 plus 3/8. So since ang 5 is a whole number, so we need to write a number indicator or numeric indicator before 5. So numeric indicator or number sign, and then 5, the plus sign na 3, 4, 6, and then we need to put an opening fraction. Dito na po nagsisimula yung fraction na 3/8. So opening fraction indicator, 1, 4, 5, 6, 3/8, closing fraction indicator. And then next we have here 5/7 minus 3/7. This is also a number sentence. Merong siyang minus sign in between. So dahil dalawang fraction ito, sa unahan we put an opening fraction indicator, 1, 4, 5, 6, then number 5/7, closing fraction indicator, and then the minus sign, and then opening fraction ulit. Dito na magsisimula yung 3/7, closing fraction, yan po. Additional examples, here we have 4/8 equals 1/2 or 1/2. So how do we write this using the Nemeth Braille code? So we have opening fraction indicator, 1, 4, 5, 6, 4/8, closing fraction indicator, space, dahil po ang equal sign ay isang sign of comparison, so maglalagay tayo ng space, and then the equal sign, composed of two cells. First cell ay that's 4 and 6, and second cell ay 1, 3, then space ulit, and opening fraction dahil isusulat natin si 1/2, So opening fraction indicator 1456, 1/2 closing fraction indicator. And for our last example, we have here 3/4 or 3/4 is less than 9/10. So how do you write that in Braille? Using Nemeth Braille code, opening fraction indicator 1456, 3/4 closing fraction indicator. Then we need to put a space dahil po ang less than ay isang sign of comparison. And then less than, how do you write less than? Dalawang cell po yan. First cell contains dot 5, second cell contains dots 1 and 3. Space ulit, and then saka natin susulat yung pangalawang fraction, which is 9/10. So opening fraction indicator 1456, 9/10 closing fraction indicator. Yan po, I hope you learned something from this video. Huwag pong kalimutang mag-like, mag-comment, mag-share, and also subscribe. Thank you po, and see you in the next video. God bless us.